back to Wafo Igbo podcast. I'm your host, Ada Igwe Umuri, and today we are exploring a captivating tale that takes us back in time, far beyond our modern world. Get ready to travel to West Africa as we unravel the remarkable story of the Igbo Dynasty. From riches to revolutionaries, this is a journey you won't want to miss. The Igbo Dynasty emerged from humble beginnings in what is now present-day southeastern Nigeria. It's a story of ambition, power struggles, and ultimately revolution. Our journey starts with an exploration of ancient Igbo society. With agriculture at its core, the Igbo people developed an intricate system of farming techniques that allowed them to survive and flourish in their lush surroundings. The Igbo were skilled farmers who cultivated yams, cassava, corn, and other crops. They also recognized the importance of trade and established elaborate networks within their region, a testament to their entrepreneurial spirit. As time passed and communities grew more interconnected, leadership became necessary. Enterprising individuals arose, the village heads, who took on organizational roles within their respective villages. These leaders appointed council members known as Ndiche, who helped maintain order and resolve disputes through consensus-based decision-making processes, a practice deeply ingrained in Igbo culture even today. While individual villages thrived under local leadership, ambition sparked conversations about unification, ultimately giving rise to something much grander, the formation of kingdoms. Amongst these emerging kingdoms was Nri, an influential polity renowned for its sacred religious practices and intriguing political system. The rulers in Nri were seen as divine figures, intermediaries between the earthly realm and the spiritual world. The Ezenri, or king of Nri, held immense power. Considered a living deity by his subjects, he not only governed but was also responsible for maintaining cosmic balance through religious rituals and sacrifices. As Nri's influence grew, so did its connections to other Igbo communities. This period witnessed the rise of an intricate trade network, an exchange not just of goods but of ideas, a catalyst for cultural amalgamation within the region. It was during this time that one specific Igbo community rose to prominence, the Kingdom of Onitsha. Nestled near the banks of the Niger River, Onitsha became a critical hub for traders from various regions seeking valuable commodities like salt and palm oil. The kingdom thrived under renowned leaders who instilled peace in their realms while expanding their territories through strategic alliances and military prowess. But it's during the reign of one remarkable ruler that we witness both splendor and descent, the legendary Obi Anazonwu. Known as a visionary leader, Obi Anazonwu transformed Onitsha into a formidable force among Igbo kingdoms. His quest for enhanced economic prosperity led him to establish trading links with Europeans along the coast, ushering in an era tainted by colonialism. While these interactions initially seemed mutually beneficial, wealth flowing in from European traders and goods coveted by Igbo elites, the tide soon turned against them as exploitation increased. Influenced by European powers, hungry for control and wealth, colonialism encroached upon Igbo territory, fueling tensions and triggering a quest for liberation that would define the next chapter in Igbo history. As the grip of colonialism tightened, discontent brewed among the Igbo people, and it was in this crucible of resistance that figures like Nnamdi Azikiwe and Chinua Achebe emerged, champions of Igbo liberation, inspiring millions to fight back against oppression. Azikiwe, a charismatic leader and advocate for independence, rallied support for Nigerians' liberation struggle. His eloquent speeches resonated deeply with his fellow Nigerians, as they sought to cast off the shackles of colonial influence. In Nnamdi Azikiwe's voice, he said, "Fellow countrymen, we must rise above our differences and unite. The time has come for us to take control of our own destiny." Meanwhile, Chinua Achebe explored another form of resistance, one rooted in literary expression. Through his iconic novel, Things Fall Apart, he brought the rich tapestry of Igbo culture to global attention while shedding light on the harmful effects of colonization. In Chinua Achebe's voice, he said, "The white man is very clever. He came quietly and peaceably with his religion, and he has put a knife on the things that held us together." Independence finally arrived on October 1st, 1960, the fruit of decades of sacrifice by visionaries such as Nnamdi Azikiwe and countless other freedom fighters across Nigeria, including those who had tirelessly fought for Igbo autonomy. Today, the Igbo people are found not only in Nigeria, but also across the globe, thriving despite adversity, a testament to their resilience and determination. From rural villages to bustling cities, they carry with them the legacy of their storied past. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. From riches to revolutionaries, we embarked on an exploration of the rise of the Igbo Dynasty. Join us next time as we unveil another captivating tale from the annals of history. Until then, keep your ears open and your curiosity aflame. Thank you for watching.